Here are my ingredients for the macaroni and cheese. You can find the recipe written out in the description of the video. First, I'm going to start by grating my cheese. I like to do this first. I'm going to cook my macaroni in salted water. So basically you want to add some water to a pot, heat it up. Once it comes to a hard boil, you're going to add your salt, then you're going to add the macaroni. Make sure you stir your macaroni because it will clump together. And you're only going to cook this for 7 minutes. Okay, then you're going to drain it, return it to the pot. So now we're going to assemble everything while the macaroni is still hot. So first in goes the butter. Then you're going to season it with Creole seasoning and black pepper. Then you're going to add in the cheese. Add the half and half. So now I'm going to add more seasoning to this. And remember, season to taste. Okay, I'm going to add in my lightly beaten egg. Add half of the macaroni down into a cast iron skillet, or you can use a casserole dish. Then you're going to sprinkle some cheese on top. You're going to add the remaining macaroni. Then you're going to top it with the remaining cheese and sprinkle some paprika on top. Then you're going to bake this inside of your oven. And this is what it should look like when it comes out. This is what it should look like, okay? So I'm going to cut into this here, okay, and just let you get a look at this mac and cheese. It was a really, really good, perfect holiday recipe. Like, what would the holidays be without the macaroni and cheese? You must have this on your plate for the holidays. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you click that like button, and I will catch you in my next one.